Hey everyone, I'm Chad from RPM Improvement Outdoor Services. Going to be replacing door handle on a 2007 Buick Lacrosse, and these are basically the only tools you're going to need. You're going to need a pick tool to help release tabs and remove covers to excess bolts. And then you're going to need 10mm, the infamous 10mm socket, 6-inch extension. You'll need a pair of locking pliers, and you'll need a flashlight. You'll also need this razor blade or something similar, a sharp blade to cut. We had some pretty heavy ice the other day, and what can happen on cars, the ice covering will seal up the door, and whenever someone goes to try and open the door and they pull, the handle breaks. These right here are the retaining nuts, the well nuts, that are supposed to be sealed up inside the plastic handle. Now, we have a new handle here. You can see the well nuts in there. So it is broken and pulled out. So we're going to put this new handle in. So what we'll do is we'll take a pick tool. You got to be careful. Everything is made of plastic. All the retainers are plastic, and they can have a tendency to break. So if you release that, you can see the tabs, and these can break easily. That reveals a screw. Let's see that reveals two more screws right there. Now we have the door card removed, for the most part. I guess it's not really removed, it's loosened. This is your interior door handle cable. So it is also retained by plastic tabs. So this fits into this right here and then slides through there. And down here is all the electrical Power windows, power locks, seat, mirror, all that stuff. Yeah, it's supposed to just release. So now the door card is completely removed. You can see once the screws are out, these are what retains the card. And you can see that one broke, that one broke, that one broke. This is what they're supposed to look like. It's not uncommon. We'll see if we have any of those laying around the shop. If we don't have any of those laying around the shop, one thing that we can do is we can alternate. We can remove these and alternate. Good, bad, good, bad. That way there's still some retention on it. It's just the boss's car. It's not a customer's car. There's tape over access holes for various reasons. Also just to seal up noise. This is where it can get a little difficult too. So what we'll like to do here, some of these have these insulation, and this is like a rubberized glue. So the best thing to do on that is going to be to cut it. So we'll just slice this open a little bit. Get some light in there. Reveal some mechanisms for the handle. All right, so if you look in here, you can see there's one 10mm bolt. Let's see if I can, right here. And then over here, I don't know if you can you get the camera through that slot? There is two more right here and right there. Those two right there. So you need to take those out. I want to try and release the plastic clip that holds the linkage for the handle. And that is right here. And basically it's a clamp. It just folds over and clips into place. These also have a tendency to break. If this breaks, you might have a problem. Just be careful. So the handle itself will come out, but we still have the well nuts because you can see they broke loose. Grab the new handle and show you. These are still attached. There. So what we'll do there is we'll put some locking pliers on them to keep it from spinning. Now we're just going to transfer the linkage over. And install a new handle. Pull the handle open, creates the room to get it in place. Snug it up. You don't have to over tighten it, that's for sure. You'll know if you do that. You'll be having to get another handle. Doesn't take much. Then reattach the rod to the clip on the latch. And it should be good to go. What we're going to do before we put everything back together, we're going to try it out just to make sure. Nothing worse than putting everything back together and something still doesn't work. It works. So now we can put the door card back on, hook the electrical back up, and be good to go. The insulation pad had enough stickiness left on it to hold it in place again, except for this piece. I'm going to go look and see if we have any more clips in the clip stash that look like this. No guarantee. Nothing in that one. Let's see. Every body man's got a clip stash. Every mechanic has bolt stash. Every welder has a metal stash. I guess every plumber probably has a pipe stash. I don't know. Looks like we're gonna strike out. I don't see an exact replacement. Nope, it's not gonna work. Looks like we're out of luck on the clips. I got everything else in here except for the ones I need, which is probably par for the course. All right, we're gonna move on to option 2, which is use what we got. Okay, so struck out on having extra clips, but that's all right. We will alternate these. Now the way that I'm gonna alternate them is, okay, you have this lip up here, which locks into place up here. So reality, this clip that goes in this hole doesn't have to be 100%. So we'll put that back into place. And then we'll come down here and we'll remove this clip. We'll come down here and remove this clip. We'll put this good one up here. We'll put this bad one down here. So now we've got bad, good, bad, good, bad. It's not a perfect solution, but you do what you have to do. Short of ordering new clips, that's what we're gonna do. And like I said, it's just the boss's car. So we're gonna go ahead and attach the electric back up. It's gonna pop into place, and that's gonna lock it into place. Okay, we're gonna install the interior door latch release cable, and that's just gonna slide right in there. Extend out, pop it into place. You hear that little click? That's locked in. We'll feed the lock rod through there. It's all popped into place. And you can see, even just alternating the clips, it still is going to retain the card. The majority of the retention comes from the screws anyway. That's where the stress is. So, should be all right. And final screw. Pop this back down into place there. Slide this back in. One final test. Uh-oh. It's locked. Back in business. Let's peel off this protective coating. Good as new. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps explain this process. And hopefully you never have to do it. See y'all later.